Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Stromberg-Carlson rotary dial candlestick telephone, and this is Vaughn's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit is in very good condition, a highly collectible telephone, and this unit is finished up, so it's already been repaired and converted. And we want to run through a little bit about what went on with this telephone. When this unit came in, it had a locked up rotary dial, and so the rotary dial was locked up tight and it would not move at all. This unit had the North Electric rotary dial, and it's 2 3/4, and so basically it is a rare dial. The used North Electric 2 3/4 rotary dial can get really expensive. They want a lot of money for them, and the sellers usually will state that the rotary dial has not been tested. So we didn't want to go that route. So our only other option was to try to find a rotary dial that we could use in this unit, and then use the finger wheel and the porcelain number plate with the replacement rotary dial. It was very difficult to find a rotary dial that we could incorporate the finger wheel and number plate. So there was basically a whole lot of fabrication that went on with this unit. We had to reconfigure the entire situation in the base of this telephone. We had to make a hook switch, and we had to reconfigure all of the wiring. We also installed an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. This candlestick telephone was going to be used standalone. So what we did was install a buzzer, and back in the day they used buzzers all the time in an office or any kind of setting where they didn't want bells ringing all day. After locating all the parts that we needed and incorporating them together with a lot of fabrication and a lot of work, we were able to make this candlestick telephone usable again. Now this unit has the North Electric finger wheel and the North Electric number plate that's porcelain. We were able to keep the original look to this telephone, and that's a plus. Now we're going to go ahead and show some still pictures of what went on and the process. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this amplified pickup in our troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the receive audio. And we have a button on the amplifier, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. And this is the original metal diaphragm receiver capsule. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We're going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit, and with an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, you will have plenty of transmit power. Every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit, and I'm pretty far back away from this unit. And we'll go ahead and tap. And it's picking my voice level up. So it will have excellent transmit power. Go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this unit is buzzing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, May 17th. The current time, 12:49 p.m. and the temperature, 77 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this really cool Stromberg-Carlson rotary dial candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Vaughn and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.